Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a presentation look like this on here. This the full time when drawing unternacho. So fast you fill the page with a rectangle shape. At this one, it has you to choose shape fill, then a gradient. Choose a light gradient to appear like this on here. Then that is good to go. Then you return to insert. You select the pictures. Like this case, you say this device. Downloads. We entered our photo. Swendroni. We position it at the left. Jim, this on here. Return to insert other photos. The goal of the season, Ganacho. This one, that was when drone 3. Position it there. You also insert the other picture. When drawing, it was Ganacho, I think. And here it is. Goal of the season for Manchester United fans. And by the way, subscribe to my channel. I made a lot of efforts to make this one. So you remove the backgrounds. Just select picture format of all the 3 photos. Then here you remove backgrounds. You can also edit. Mark areas to keep on, also mark areas to remove. Like in this case, for Mr. Wenroni, and also the photo of Mr. Wenroni, but removed the background. Then after done with that, you go over to insert and select a picture. It will act as our background. This one here, you size it and then you send it backwards. Then you'll be having something like this one here. Then after you're done, we apply effects. You select picture format, animation. And this one I selected zoom effects. You can see on the top there, zoom. Then this for Ganacho, I selected the path onto spot. Like this one, so we can see it's going up. We go to animation pen. We have picture 9 where we adjust the timings. We can also change the direction of the lines to move from left to right. Like this one here. Then also adjust states. Well, let's edit this for Mr. Wenroni. Select part the same. For that one, we can change it at the animation pen, where we select the effects option. When we select effect option at the top, you'll be able to move the image from left to right. and please subscribe to my channel. It took me a lot of time to achieve this, so I select the effect option where you choose left, that is up option, but you return to effect option where you select left, something like this one here. We can also do the same for Mr. Generator here, effect option, left effect, where we'll be having something like this one here. Then after we are done with applying the effect option, you can see the elves are there. And please subscribe to my channel. You can also comment down, share with your friends. Well, these are posts as you somehow see. When they post, so after you're done with that, you want to insert our text box. We select where we want, we increase the font size of the text. Like in this case, we took 54. Then we changed the text color to green. We changed the type of the text to elephants. So elephant, elephant, elephants, that way. And we said, this is best of our times. Center line, we make it so the center line, then we position it at the down position here, somewhere down here we have it, and that we say is best of our time. Mr. Wayne Rooney. So that's a presentation. But remember to be creative all time. You can achieve this one. Just go and print it. At the sidebar, you have a wallpaper for your home. For just your computer, you don't need complexions. And that's it. Presentation for today. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share, and comment.